Mom, it's just a letter.
Oh, sweetie, I can't believe this is happening.
What does it mean, Mom? You're not mad at me? Mama, 你们怎么了?
What does it say?
Let me see. I'll handle this.
Be careful.
It's okay. We're all here for you.
I love you both so much.
We'll be back before you know it.
I'll miss you.
We'll miss you too, sweetie.
I have to go.
Please don't leave us. Daddy, please stay.
Mom, the phone! It's lighting up! Hello? Is that you?
What are they saying?
Oh, that's wonderful news. I'm so proud of you, sweetie. He's doing great, honey. Okay, I'll be right there.
Mommy, what's wrong?
Nothing. Sweetie, everything's going to be okay. Okay, goodbye.
My son made this for me. I miss him so much. It feels like he's so far away.
We'll be strong together.
I miss him, Mom.
I know. Me too. Dad? Is that really you?
Dad, we miss you.
We're so glad you're okay. Love you, Dad.
I hope he's okay. I didn't eat.
Oh my God.
Mom!
Oh, my sweet boy.
I missed you, Dad.
I missed you too, buddy.
Welcome home. Oh, my loves.
We're right here.
We love you, Mommy.
I love you both so much.
These are for you.